Hi friends, welcome to Farmer Geeks with the slogan We Grow Together. We take a small dip about the producer company in India under Companies Act 2013 and all about its procedure and checklist. Being a farmer, now you can easily access to the input credits, production, technology and market. Wanted to know how? Just be with us throughout this video to know some amazing aspects of producer company registration along with its procedure. What is producer company registration? In India, people are dependent or directly on or indirectly upon agricultural field, but still being the largest country indulged in agricultural fields, farmers in India are still lacking in technologies and are fully unorganized due to failure of crops because of lack of technologies and facilities. Many of the farmers opt to for suicide. Looking back to this problem, Indian government has placed an expert committee to solve all this problem of the farmers. A producer company in India is a company registered under the Companies Act with mutual objectives of agricultural production, procurement, post harvesting, processing activities, import goods, selling and distribution, export of primary production of members to earn more benefits. A producer company is a committee of 10 or more people and two institutions with a joint objective of dealing with agricultural and post harvesting processing activities. In simple words, it is a cluster of farmers who join hands for better living and to improve their income. Requirements of to form a producer company. Basic requirements to form a farmer producer company: 10 or more than 10 individuals, 2 or more than 2 institutions. P. Registration requirements to form producer company: minimum number of 5 directors and 10 members should be there. Minimum paid up capital of rupees 5 lakhs is required to form the company. Company can have as many as members they wanted, as there is no maximum limit of the members. The producer company in India cannot be deemed as a public company. The farmer company can have only equity share capital. There should be at least 4 boards meeting every year, and the meeting should not be held less than once every 3 months. Documents required for producer company registration: PAN card, passport, election ID card of all the directors and shareholders, latest bank statement, voters ID and driving licenses, and passport of all the directors and shareholders, passport size photography of all directors and shareholders, copy of any utility bill as a residential proof. In case of rented property, a scanned copy of rent agreement along with the NOC from the owner. In case of owned property, a copy of property papers. Process of produce company registration. Producer company registration process is somehow similar to private limited company registration. You need to follow the steps to get the registrations. Obtain DSC and DIN for all the directors and the shareholders. The first most step to get the company registration are to obtain DSC or digital signature copies for all the directors or shareholders of the company to sign electronic documents. After that, you need to obtain DIN, that is directors identification number, to move ahead with the process. You can now easily apply for DIN along with the SPICE form and need not to file a separate form. Company name approval application. Once you have obtained the DSC and DIN, now you have to get the company's name approved from the registrar of the offices. For this, you need to file an application in prescribed format, and fee is RUN, Reserve Unique Name form. After submitting the application, registrar of offices will verify the uniqueness of the name and will approve it on the basis of it. File for incorporation application. Now you are at the last but not the least step of filing for certificate of incorporation application. An incorporation application is filed in SPICE form along with the required documents such as memorandum of association, article of association, affidavit and declaration with the concerned registrar of companies. Note, it takes around 7 days to get certificate of incorporation from the ROC once all the documents and applications is verified by them. Further, we will let you know how to upload your mobile number in Aadhaar card. Thank you for watching our channel.